Welcome to our channel MPC Foundation Academy. In this video we will discuss about the measurement and motion chapter, measurement of volume, class 6 to 10th, subject physics. Now we will go to our topic. See here, first of all in this video, volume. What is the volume? Information about volume and definition of volume, units of volume we have to now learn. Now first of all, volume of a box or container is measured in cubic meter, that is equal to meter cube, or cubic centimeter, that is equal to centimeter cube. In daily life situations we observe so many times we have to find the volume of different objects. For example, if you take any box or container, if you want to find the volume of that container in cubic meters or cubic centimeters, okay na. See here, practically we see that the volume of petrol and diesel to be filled in a vehicle at petrol bunks is expressed in terms of liters. When we have to go to the petrol to fill the petrol or diesel, in that situation we observe some types of units, that is the liters. By using the liters only we can measure the petrol and diesels, okay na. See here, now definition of the volume. Volume is nothing but what here? The three-dimensional space occupied by an object. Volume is nothing but what here? That three-dimensional space. See here, the three-dimensional space. What is mean by three-dimensional space? What is mean by two-dimensional space? Here volume is nothing but what here? The three-dimensional space occupied by an object is known as its volume or capacity. Okay, volume or capacity. Once observe what is mean by three-dimensional. 3D objects. In so many times we listen 3D objects and 2D objects. 2D objects. When we are observe the two-dimensional, in two-dimensional system we explain only two axes. This is the horizontal line, this is the vertical line. Horizontal line is called x axis, vertical line is called y axis. This is the y axis. By using these two axes we can explain the two-dimensional situations, two-dimensional information. When you are observe the two-dimensional objects, here rectangle, triangle, circle, square, these are the examples of two-dimensional shapes. In two-dimensional shapes we explain area. What here? In two-dimensional we explain what here? Area. The term area is explained by in two-dimensional. In two-dimensional plane is there, plane, okay. In two-dimensional plane is exist. Whereas when you are observe in three-dimensional objects, cube, cuboid, sphere, this type of structures are exist in three-dimensional. What is mean by three-dimensional here? In three-dimensional we observe three axes. First one is the x axis as it is, y axis and one more axis there, that is the z axis. Okay, these three axes are present in perpendicular to each other, means when you are observing the angle between every two axes, the angle must be equal to 90 degrees. The angle must be equal to 90 degrees. Angle between x and y, x axis and y axis 90 degrees. Angle between y and z also 90 degrees. Angle between z and x also 90 degrees. That is why these three axes are exist in perpendicularly. Here in this is the three-dimensional. In three-dimensional we measure the space. In two-dimensional plane is there, in three-dimensional the word space is takes place, place is there. Now what is the definition of volume here? The three-dimensional space occupied by an object is known as volume. Three-dimensional space occupied by an object is called what here? Volume or capacity. Volume or capacity. Units. Although units of container is expressed in meter cube for the sake of convenience, the same volume can be expressed in liters also. For our convenience, we expressed different types of units for using measure the volumes. Generally the SI unit are generally we can use the meter cube or cubic meter used for the to measure the volume. When you are observing liquid, when we are the measure the volume of liquid, in that situation we have to use generally liters and milliliters, liters and milliliters. So this type of units are belonging to volume. See here, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to how many liters? 1000 liters. So 1 liter is equal to the representation capital L. 1 liter is equal to the representation what here? Capital L. Sir, one important point is there. For transparent liquids, reading is measured differently. Lower meniscus, whereas for colored liquids, upper meniscus should be highlighted. See here, when you are measure the volume of liquids by using the any jars or any jars, by using the any jars, we can measure the volume of liquids. In that situation, you have to take the lower meniscus. For example, this is the measurement jar. Okay, these are the liquid in that one. This is the lower meniscus, this is the upper meniscus, lower meniscus and upper meniscus. See here, when you are taking the liquids, okay, means which type of liquids? So transparent liquids like water. Transparent liquid, when you have to take the water like water liquid, you have to consider the lower meniscus. This is you have to consider. Okay na? Otherwise colored liquids you have to consider this one is. Okay, this is the meniscus. When you are measuring the liquids, if you liquid is transparent liquid like water, you have to consider the lower meniscus. Otherwise colored liquid, you have to consider the upper meniscus. Next here, multiple and submultiples units of volume or capacity. Multiple and submultiples units of volume or capacity. See here, already now only I wrote 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. We know very well. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. That's why 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. Instead of milliliter, I am writing centimeter cube. Why? Because this is 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. That's why 1000 milliliter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now I want to find out the 1 meter cube is equal to how many cubic centimeters cube. Centimeter cube. See cubic centimeters. Here cubic centimeter is the also units for volume. Meter cube also units of volume only. Just I wanted to calculate the relation between meter cube and centimeter cube. I am doing here 1 meter cube is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Why? Because here cube is there na. That's why I am the product of 1 meter is equal to 1 meter cube or cubic meter. This is nothing but 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1 meter cube, that is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Here 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. That's why I am writing, instead of 1 meter I am writing 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter 3 times. Why? Because here meter how many times are there? Instead of 1 meter I am writing 100 centimeters. 1 more meter 100 centimeters. 1 more meter 100 centimeters. Okay na? This step over. Next I am writing 100 into 100 into 100 into 100 3 times is there na. These all are present in one box into centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. 100 into 100 how much? 10,000. 100 into how much? 10,000 into 100 into centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, centimeter cube, centimeter cube. 10,000 into 100 how much? 10 lakhs. 10,000 into how much? 10 lakhs into centimeter cube. 10 lakhs is nothing but how much? 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. Yes or no? Now 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. From this we can write 1 cubic meter is equal to 10 to the power of 6 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. This is the formula. See here 1 centimeter cube is equal to how much here? 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. This is the 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube I have taken. Again I have 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power of 6 I am writing 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 3 centimeter cube. Okay. Here 10 to the power of 3 centimeter cube means how much here? 10 to the power of 3 as it is. This 10 to the power of 3 means how much? 1000 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube. Here 1 centimeter cube is equal to how much? 1 milliliter. 1 centimeter cube how much? 1 milliliter. Instead of 1000 centimeters cube I am writing 10 to the power of 3 into 1000 milliliters. 1000, this is 1 meter cube is equal to. Okay na? Next I am writing 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power of 3 into 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliters. Now 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power of 3. 1000 milliliters nothing but what here? 1 liter. 1 liter. Now 1 meter cube is equal to how much? 1000 liters. 1000 liters. This is the second conversion. From here I am writing only 1 liter is equal to, here in one side 1 meter cube is there. This 1000 out of the is equal side in denominator takes place. Here now 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 is nothing but what here? 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 3. Why? Because 1 by 10 to the power of 3 meter cube is there. In denominator 10 to the power of 3 is there. When you are writing in numerator, the power automatically change minus. Okay na? That's why 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 not meter cube, liter. Meter cube only. 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. From in this calculation we get 3 equations. First one is the 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal, cubic meter is equal to, yeah I am writing 1 meter cube or cubic meter is equal to 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. First equation, first conversion. Next what here? Here 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1 meter is equal to 1000 liters. Next to second this one. Next to 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. This is the 3 conversions. Okay. If you want I will explain. I am explaining once again. 1 meter cube is equal to 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter. 100 into 100 into 100 one side, centimeter into centimeter one side. 100 into 100 into 100 3 times you will get 10 lakhs centimeter cube. Instead of 10 lakhs I am writing 10 to the power of 6. Up to here very clear. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. Okay, done. Next I am taking this only. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power of 6 centimeter cube. Instead of 10 to the power of 6 I am writing split 10 to the power of 6 split into 2, that is the what are 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 into centimeter cube is nothing but 10 to the power of 3 milliliter. Why? Because already 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. Now only completed. Instead of 10 to the power of 3 centimeter cube, I am writing 10 to the power of 3 milliliter, means 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter is nothing but what here? 1 liter. 1000 milliliter is nothing but what here? 1 liter. That's why 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to how much? 1000 liters. This is the second conversion. From here 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. Why? Because this 1000 is outside. Outside of is equals to second side of is equals to the 1000 is present in denominator place. We means 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 is nothing but what here? 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 3 is the answer. Okay na? Next. Now only completed. These are explain already. See here 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. Now only completed. Now only completed. Next here. Here observe 1 liter, one more same. 1 liter is equal to how many centimeter cube? Once again I am doing 1 liter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Sorry, 1 liter is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. First of all, 1000 milliliters. 1000 as it is, 1 milliliter is equal to how much? 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter. 1000 as it is, 1 centimeter cube is nothing but 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. 1000 as it is, 1 centimeter is nothing but what here? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Yes or no? Now 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters. That's why I am writing instead of 1 centimeter 1 by 100 meter into 1 by 100 meter into 1 by 100 meter. Okay na? See here. One minute. Writing very clearly 1 by 100 meter into 1 by 100 meter into 1 by 100 meter. See here 1000 as it is, in denominator 100 into 100 3 times, in numerator meter into meter. Okay, now 1 liter is equal to 1000 as it is, in denominator what here? 10 to the power of 6. Okay, why? Because 100 into 100 into 10 lakhs. I am writing 10 lakhs first of all. Meter cube. Now 1 liter is equal to 1000 meter cube divided by 10 lakhs. Here 10 lakhs means what here? 1000 1 ja 1000, 1000 ja 1000 ja. Here 1 liter is equal to meter cube divided by 1000, means 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 means what here? 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. This is the conversion. Now only completed. See here also same. 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. In two cases we get 1 liter is equal to what here? 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube. See here next one. Measurement of volume. Measurement of volume. How to measure the volume? Here two cases are there. Measurement of solids, volume of solids, volume of liquids, volume of solids and volume of liquids, solids and liquids both cases are there. Okay. In first again volume of solids also again two type, volume of regular solids, how to find the volume of regular solids. Next one, how to find the volume of irregular solids, regular solids and irregular solids and volume of liquids we will discuss in next video. Okay na? Subscribe my channel. Thank you.